Welcome to our channel, where we make learning fun and accessible for students like you. In this video, we have an exciting challenge for you, mastering object-oriented programming in just 5 minutes. Are you ready? Alright, let's dive in. The foundation of programming lies in object-oriented programming, also known as OOP. It enables you to write clean, efficient, and reusable code. There are 4 essential concepts of OOP: abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Abstraction allows us to simplify complex systems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable parts. It helps us create models and representations of real-world objects in a programming language. Encapsulation is like putting your code into a protective shield. It allows us to bundle data and the methods that operate on that data together. By doing so, we can control access to data and prevent unwanted changes. Inheritance allows us to create new classes based on existing classes. It promotes code reusability, making it easier to create and maintain complex programs. Polymorphism refers to the ability of an object to take on many forms. It allows us to use a single interface to represent different data types. This concept fosters flexibility and modularity in our code. You've just learned the key concepts of object-oriented programming in just 5 minutes. Remember, practice and hands-on experience are vital to truly master these concepts. So, keep coding and exploring the exciting world of programming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for educational content. Hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and happy coding.